yeah, there you go. Oh yeah. There you go. Wow, this feels heavy. Oh my god. Tank. Tank. Oh my god, another one. Yo, you alright?
Nothing. Not even marking fish.
You not?
No.
Oh shit. You want to fish beside me?
I might move up parallel to you.
Okay.
Okay.
Lipless. Are you alright?
Filming me?
That's what you doing, dude.
Did you bring the sauce?
Now you're in a good mood?
Oh fuck, bro. Holy fuck. Number 4, number 5, number 6.
Should see how like your mood was like this. You hook up. Oh, man, I'm fucking excited.
You hear me swearing it, motherfucker? You hear me swear? I swear at the fish.
That's a nice one, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. Back to back?
That's the best. It's another big fish.
You can tell right away with your rod, eh?
Yeah.
The medium heavy. Oh my god.
Come on.
Oh shit.
It's not good. It's right in there.
Oh.
Oh.
No.
No. That's the fucking one. Oh, there's one.
You fish.
Oh, what a fucking...
Sorry, man. I'm fucking drooling.
Let me get it off the fish first. Oh, yeah. That hurts. Thank God I bought another pair.
Oh my
God. Oh. Fuck off. Fuck off. Oh my gosh. This fucked me up good.
Oh, there you go.
Eh?
Oh my god. There's one. Stronger than like the other ones.
What?
This is like really strong.
Fish?
Yeah.
I know. That's mine too.
Really strong.
Can I clean your hole?
Yeah.
Can I clean your hole? How's that for a question?
This is a medium heavy too,
I know.
right?
I want to get one on the medium.
Oh yeah. It's so much nicer.
Yeah?
Yeah. This feels like a broomstick.
No. It's like your E6X.
Yeah.
Just bends at the tip.
Yeah.
It must be big.
Yeah. Because they didn't. My other ones didn't fight like this.
I'm telling you, this what the last one I had was like this too. It's not a Laker.
No.
Maybe a big burbot? Can't see it yet. It's over there somewhere.
Yeah.
Over there somewhere.
What the heck is
What
that?
is that?
I don't know, man.
The Laker? I don't think so. They could be peeling. Maybe it's just a big whitey. Smallie.
Oh, it was a big fucking whitey, man.
Oh, lift up a bit.
Man, that's why. Again. Nice one, too.
Yeah, it's nice.
Thanks, buddy. Woo!